In this tutorial, we will convert a 3-photo birthday template into a matching 1-photo template using the MyMirrorClub editor. This is a very easy way to reuse an existing design while keeping the same style, colors, and overall look. We will remove the extra photo areas, resize the remaining photo box, reposition the design elements, and create a clean 1-photo layout that perfectly matches the original template. Let's get started. And the first thing we need to do is click on the Templates and Animations button. Now we will choose the 3-photo layout category and the birthday subcategory. For this tutorial, I'll choose this pink birthday template. Always load with layers so you can edit every layer individually. This is pretty much the area we will end up with once we resize it in the next few steps. We are not going to resize it just yet because first we want to move some of the layers into this area so we can see them properly. Let's start with this layer and move it into the area we mentioned in the previous step. We will move it to about this position for now. Now let's move this birthday layer closer to the left side as well. Click here to edit individual layers within your template. I'll make the flower behind birthday a little smaller. Click on the layer. Then use this corner to resize it by dragging down toward the left to make it smaller. Now let's move this flower over to the left area as well. Now let's move also this flower over to the left area as well. Click the Custom Size button to specify a custom template dimension. Now we are ready to resize the output size and make it 1200 by 1800 vertical. Click OK to apply the custom size settings to your template. Now we want to delete the second frame. Click on the frame, then also click on the transparent area and use the delete button on the left side. Now we are ready to make a few changes to the layers, resize them, and position them into place. Once that is done, your 1-photo template will be ready in no time. Let's click on this layer and resize it a little smaller. Now let's bring this layer forward. Click the button as many times as needed until you see it on top of the frame. Now let's make this flower a bit smaller and position it on the right side. Now we will make this birthday layer a little smaller and move it up slightly so we can see the layer behind it and move that one as well. Now click on this layer, make it a little smaller, and move it to the right. Position it about here, which is perfectly fine. Yes, it should stay behind our flower layer so you can leave it just as it is. Now let's bring our birthday layer into position wherever you want it. I'll move it a little lower and use the guidelines to make sure it is centered in the middle of the template. Now I'll move this little leaf a bit closer to the frame. While we are at it, I'll also duplicate it so we have one more. Click here to select the duplicated element for further editing. Move it to about this position. I'll also rotate it so it looks a little different from the other one. Now for the final touch, I think our frame is a little too small. First, we will select the outer frame, which is the orange layer behind the transparent area, and resize it to be larger. Then we will position it in the middle. Use the guidelines once again to make sure it is perfectly centered. Now we will select our transparent layer and resize it as much as needed so it stays smaller than the frame. Then move it until it is perfectly centered, making sure you can clearly see the frame behind it. We have converted the 3-photo template into a 1-photo template in just a few minutes by following this step-by-step tutorial. Once you get comfortable with the process, you can easily do this in a minute or less. Let's go ahead and publish it so we can save it to the workspace. Now that we have published it, here are your options. You can download it to your device, and the file will always be a PNG, which means any transparent photo areas will remain transparent. You can also click Edit if you need to make more changes, go to My Workspace, or start a new project. You have successfully created and customized a photo booth template using MyMirrorClub. Your design is now published and ready for use, and you can manage your projects within the workspace for future edits or new creations.